Hello creative, this logo is the logo of a client of mine who is from Indonesia. This time I will show you how to make this logo, so enjoy the video. This is the design brief that I sent to the client. The name that will be included in the logo is Faza. The slogan on the logo is your fashion solution. The color that the client wants is purple and silver. I will list the color palette in the description column. And the client's preferred style is minimalist, elegant and geometric. Okay, we will make a combination of the three styles that the client wants, and also love butterflies. I use Pinterest to find various logo references. On Pinterest there are many good logos that are suitable as our reference in finding ideas for our logo projects. Here I try to find related keywords such as butterfly. Wow, you can see all kinds of butterfly logo design styles. I like some. Next, minimalist logo and elegant logo. Sketching is an important step in making a logo. You can pour all ideas into a sketch. Don't worry about your image being ugly. We will tidy it up during the vectorization process. After the sketch is complete, you can scan the sketch using a scanner or take a picture through a photo and then enter it into the editing application. Let's create a new artboard. Click Create New. Set the width to 1350 pixels and the height to 1080 pixels. My artboard name is Faza Logo according to the project we are working on. Insert a drawing or sketch into the artboard. Go to File, then select Place. Drag the image and adjust the desired size. Decrease the opacity to 50%. Then go to the object and select Lock or shortcut Ctrl+2. Here I use pen to create a curve. Create a curve following the pattern from the sketch that has been made. This is my favorite tool, the width tool. We can adjust the size of the line as much as we want easily. Do it on all the sketches. This is the entire logo that was created earlier. Then I sent this sample to the client for revision. After being revised, the client prefers this logo because it is more minimalist. The client asked for a little change. The client wanted the sides to be curved so it wouldn't be stiff and some other changes. Okay, let's revise. This is the logo that we will revise and improve. Next, create a new layer and hide the logo. I used a grid to make it look more symmetrical. To create a grid, first, click the square symbol on the toolbar or press M for a keyboard shortcut. Go to Menu Object, go to Path, then click Split to Grid. Give 10 for rows and 10 for columns as well. Lock the created layer and name it Guide. Create another new layer, then, name it Logo. On this layer you will create the logo. I still use a pen to make this logo. Change the line thickness to 14 pixels, now our logo looks thicker. We only make one side only and then we duplicate. To duplicate, right-click on the mouse, click Transform and then click Reflect. Change Reflect to vertical, then select Copy to duplicate. Now our logo is two-sided. Adjust each of the duplicated sides. Then we make some sides rounded, click Anchor Point, then drag it in so that it is rounded. Do the same to the other side that you want to make round. Click the eye icon on the layer, then hide our guide layer. Nice, we've made a beautiful logo. Next we will give the color according to the client's request. Purple and silver, the color palette I put in the description. We will give the logo background with purple color, create a new layer and name it Background, then drag the layer under the logo layer, click the icon or the box symbol on the toolbar. Change the width to 1350 pixels and the height to 1080 pixels, then click OK. Click Square, then click Eyedropper tool and navigate to the purple color palette. Then click the logo layer, then go to the Object menu and select Expand to make it a shape. Color the logo by clicking the eyedropper and pointing to the silver color palette. Nice, and this is the final result. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that I am more motivated to make other tutorial videos. I need your comments, so don't forget to comment below.